Good day, all pet matters. Today we're going to remove the floor matting of the cage. This floor matting help the very small puppy to stay in a puppy cage. So now, because the puppy is getting bigger, so they don't need this mesh. Okay, so now we're going to remove this, and one reason we need to remove this is that their feces is getting big also, and it's stuck in the floor of the mesh, so it's very difficult to clean it. And sometimes if we were not able to take out the feces or clean the feces after the puppy poop, they will accidentally sit on it. So it's better to remove the mesh, the plastic mesh, so that the poop will go directly under this catch basin. Okay, this is the catch. This is the catch basin. Okay. Now we're going to remove this. And third reason is for hygiene purposes, because this plastic mesh retains some fluid from the urine. Sometimes the puppy also sit on it, so the color of the fur of the white puppy becomes yellowish. Okay, so now we're going to first we take off these catch basins. And you just use a pair of scissors, because we used the tie rod before this one. Okay, so we just cut this. And also, when the puppies becomes bigger, they bite the plastic mesh. You see that? There's no discontinuity of the mesh because the puppy bite it. So it's very dangerous for our puppy to eat this mesh. Okay, because it will block the flow of feces in their stomach, on the intestine. And trip to the vet is very, very expensive. So it's better to avoid those accidents than sorry. use the scissors sharp, very sharp. Might cut our skin. Okay. we're done removing the plastic mesh. So now I will show you the puppy that can stand on this puppy cage without plastic mesh. We have a puppy here with me, and I will show you that even without a mesh, he can stand on this puppy cage. Okay. You see? So all this urine and feces will go directly to the catch basin. I hope you learned something from our video for today, and thank you for watching, and see you again on our next video. Bye bye.